Hi, I'm Yanni with WTI, and we love playing games in our family. So this is one of our favorites. This is called Bananagrams, and it's super fun and super easy to play. So if you enjoy games like Scrabble, you're going to love this game. It's super easy to play. So all you're doing is you're picking 21 tiles and you're arranging them and making words with them. Whoever finishes your tiles first yells banana, and that's pretty much it. You're done. So we can get super competitive, and it's a lot of fun when you're trying to use up your tiles and come up with new words. You're definitely going to enjoy this game and have a lot of fun playing it. And I also love that it's a great teaching tool as well. If you have kids that are learning how to spell, this is a great way of teaching them how to spell through a fun game as well. It comes with this super convenient pouch, and it has a zipper, and inside you get all your tiles. So it's super portable. It's nice that you can take it along with you on trips, and you'll have a lot of fun playing this game. So give this fun game a try. You're going to love it, and that is my point of view.